Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Keap automation for small business CRM, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Keap account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find the main menu on the left side. Click on the Automate option to access the automation section. Select Workflows to see your existing workflows or create a new one. To create a new workflow, click on the Create a Workflow button. Choose a template or start from scratch, depending on your preference. Give your workflow a name that reflects its purpose. Click Save to continue setting up your automation. Next, you'll want to add a trigger for your workflow. Triggers are events that kick off the automation. Common triggers include new contacts, tags applied, or specific dates. Select the appropriate trigger from the list. Configure the trigger settings according to your needs. After setting up your trigger, click Add Goal to define the outcomes of your workflow. Goals represent what you want to achieve when the automation runs. Select a goal type that aligns with your workflow objectives. Next, add actions that dictate what happens once the trigger is activated. Actions could include sending emails, adding tags, or updating contact records. Choose an action from the list and configure its settings. Repeat this process to add as many actions as required for your workflow. If you need to refine your automation, use if/else conditions to create branches. This allows for more customized responses based on contact behavior. Once your actions are set, review the entire workflow to ensure it works as intended. Make any necessary adjustments before moving on. When satisfied, toggle the workflow to active status. Finally, click Turn On to activate your automation. Your Keap automation is now live. Monitor its performance through the Analytics section to track effectiveness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.